Getting to Thassos starts with a short ferry ride. The kind of simple journey where the moment you step on board, it already feels like a holiday. Once you're on the island, it's winding roads, endless olive groves, and beaches waiting to be found. There's so much beauty here, but today we'll keep it simple: 5 beaches and a lot of sand. First up is Paradise Beach, a beautiful cove on Thassos' east side. Known for its incredibly soft, golden sand that almost feels like it would swallow you in its arms. The water is crystal clear, shallow, and calm, perfect for swimming and safe for families with kids. It keeps a peaceful, natural vibe with just a couple of tavernas, sunbeds, and space to stretch out. Unlike some of the island's trickier spots, getting here is easy. Follow the signs from the coastal road, park nearby, and enjoy a short, easy walk down to the beach. Picture yourself standing on a narrow stretch of land, the sea sparkling on both sides. This is Aliki, one of the most beautiful beaches on Thassos. As you step into the soft sand and smooth pebbles, the water is so clear you can see little fish swimming around your feet. The air is warm and salty, the mood quiet and easy. Swim, float, or snorkel along the rocky edges where sea life moves gently through the water. On one side of the beach, large flat rock blades slope into the sea, perfect for laying out your towel and sunbathing between dips. A short walk leads you to the seaside taverna with fresh seafood and cold drinks. The sound of the waves always nearby. You can park along the road above and make your way down either by circling around or slipping through tiny corridors tucked between the old buildings. Then there is Marble Beach, or Saliara, a place that feels almost unreal. The beach takes its name from the fine white marble pebbles covering the shore, which turn the turquoise water into bright, shimmering blue. It's small, bright, and strikingly beautiful. With water so clear, you can see every detail beneath the surface. Getting here involves a bumpy, narrow dirt road through the trees, but once you arrive, the brilliant colors and wild charm of this little bay make every minute of the drive worth it. It can get lively in summer, but its raw, vivid beauty is something you won't forget. Psilli Ammos, one of the island's liveliest and most popular beaches, it's known for its wide stretch of soft, bright sand and beautifully clean, calm water. During the day, it's a relaxed place to swim, sunbathe, or enjoy a long, lazy lunch at one of the beachfront tavernas. As the afternoon fades, it picks up a little energy, with easygoing music and a cheerful holiday vibe. It's a favorite for families and couples alike, with plenty of space and a smooth, hassle-free access straight from the roadside. finally, Golden Beach, one of the longest and most beloved beaches on Thassos. Its name comes from the way the fine sand seems to glow in the sunlight, giving the whole bay a soft golden shimmer. The water here is beautifully clean and calm, making it ideal for swimming, floating lazily, or stand-up paddling with a view of the hills across the bay. It's well organized, with sunbeds, plenty of tavernas, and small shops dotted along the shore. This is also a blue flag beach, meaning it's recognized for its clean water and excellent facilities. A perfect, easy spot to spend a full summer day. Of course, this is just a small taste of what Thassos has to offer with all its beauty. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more places and beaches. See you at the beach!